Okay, so you're welcome. All right, so now we are on CapCut. Okay, so once you have done what you are done, exporting your video from Plotagon according to what we just did, right? You come over to CapCut and launch it. Okay, so once you've launched it, you are going to see create. So basically, some of you are going to have that create maybe at the top right here. Okay, so but mine is down here, so I can just go ahead and click on create. So if yours is here, you can click on the creative, and if it's up here, it's still the same thing. Just go ahead and click on create, and once you click on create, that video that we exported, you are going to see it up here. Okay, so if you're not seeing it, you are going to see that okay, this place is photos and here is video. So you want to make sure that it's literally on these videos. Okay, so once you are done with that, you go ahead and click on that video. Okay, so now you go ahead and click on that video. Make sure that is the video. Click on this cycle right here, click on the video, and then click on add. All right, click on add. Okay, so now this is our video, right? So basically the entire length of this video is 1 minute 47 seconds. That is less than 2 minutes. All right, so once you are inside CapCut, first of all, just use your hand and screw your finger, use it and screw to the last part, that is to the end part of the video. Okay, so just screw, and you are going to use your both hand and expand. Like use your both hand and expand, right? So I'm going to use my both hand and expand, okay, so that I can see everything. So once you use your both hand and expand, so what we are going to look for now is, you can see, use your both hand and expand, you are going to see this is the Plotagon watermark at the end, which we don't want. We are going to be cutting that off, but before then, click on this stuff right here, this CapCut watermark too. You can see this is CapCut watermark, so click on it, and once you've clicked on the watermark, you're going to see delete. So just go ahead and delete it. So that is gone. So now what you are going to do now is to use your hand, your finger, and screw to the part where this watermark begins, this Plotagon watermark. So just use your hand and screw to see the end part of the watermark. So it's around here, around this point here. So just make sure you get it right. All right. So this was where the whole thing stuff. So once you are there, you will take your hand and click on the stuff again, click on the video itself, and once you click on the video, you are going to see splits, this split right there. So just click on that split, right? Click on the splits, and it's going to split that part. So you can see this is the one we don't want, this Plotagon watermark, we don't want it. So just go ahead and make sure that it's highlighted like this. Make sure it's highlighted like this. If it's not selected, select it, right? You can see it's selected. That is why you are having this white. If it's not selected, you will not see that white. You will not see the white at this all these sides. So if I select it, you are going to see the white. You can see it, right? So once it's selected, just click on delete. Okay, click on that, click on delete. All right, so just click on the delete, this delete you are seeing right here. All right, so now that is gone. So that is gone. Okay, so now basically we are literally almost done with this video. We are almost done with this video now. So since now this is the beginning of the video, right, and I feel like this thing is too long, right?
Precious.
So I feel like this stuff is too long before it started playing. What I want to do is to just come over to this place and make sure that, okay, I will just use my hand, finger, and screw, and make sure that the time is set, the time frame between on this particular scene where we are going to be looking at all these people, these guys right here, shouldn't be that much. So I will just screw and make sure I just stop it around this point, and then click on the video itself. So once I click on the video, you can decide to leave it that way, it's your choice. I will come to my splits and split it. All right, then come over to this place here. You can see this black stuff is too lengthy, so I can just come over to this place here and split it too. So I will make sure that you see that it's highlighted already, right? You see that it's highlighted already. Okay, so I will go ahead and split it too, so that it shouldn't stay that long before they commence conversation. I will click on this center one, this one that is at the middle, and then come to delete. All right, so I'll click on delete. So the time frame it's going to spend, it shouldn't be that much.
Precious, have you noticed how everything is going digital now?
All right, so that is it. So now basically we've literally we are done almost with everything, right? So now you can, once you are done with your all that, so the next thing that is left, you can still decide to reduce this stuff again if it's still too lengthy, or you can decide to still leave it like that if you don't want it, or you can just reduce it. So if I decide to reduce mine again, I can click on this stuff, this thing, use it, drag it to this place where this line is. It is going to reduce. You can see it, right? So I can use my hand and do that. It's my choice. So what is left now is just to add music, and yeah, just to add music, and that is basically everything, right? So to add music, you look at this, you're down here, right? Look at it. This is audio. Okay, so what you want to click on is audio. This audio, you can already see they even name it audio. So just go ahead and click on audio, and you're going to see another options. You're going to see sound, you're going to see sound FX, you're going to see record, and you're going to see text to audio. All right, so you're going to see extract. So just come to your sound, so you can click on your sound, this sound right here. Click on this sound, and then after clicking on sound, just wait for it to load up. So right here you are going to see this place here, this thing. You're going to see this TikTok logo. So you want to click on this thing. That's your device. It looks like memory, right? So once you click on that, so you're right here, you're going to see device. So just click on device, so you can pick whichever the songs that are on your mobile device. So you can pick any sound you want from this place here. You understand? So all this music that are here are basically the music that are on your mobile device. All right, so just go ahead and pick any one of your choice. But if you want to use the CapCut own, which I would not even recommend, but you can use them, it's obvious, it's okay, but it's just that they might strike you, especially when you post it for copyright and all that. So but if you want to use the CapCut, so you just come over to this place here, click on the same sound. Let's wait for it to load up, and you're going to see these are sounds, right? So let's imagine that maybe I wanted to search for something. I will just come to this my search bar, and then just search for, let's say I wanted to search for, let's say calm. Let's say calm. So I can just, from this place here, just play. So you can literally just click on anyone to play, and if it's something you want, you just have to click on the plus icon. So let's imagine that, okay, this one that is playing now. So now let's imagine that this one that is playing right here, this is it. This one that is playing right here, I wanted it. I will just click on this thing right here, this plus icon. Once I click on it, you can see this is it, right? So let's see.
Precious, have you noticed how everything...
Now you can observe something. The music is excessively too loud. It's louder than the stuff itself. So what I'm going to do is you can reduce the music. So just make sure you click on the music. Make sure the music is highlighted. Now this is the music that is down. You can see it's down here, right? So let's imagine that we are not even here again, right? So if you just if you click on the music now, you can see the music. So click on it until it bring this white stuff that is literally on the sides, right? So you see the music is highlighted. Okay, so once you click on the music, you are going to see volume. Everything is named here. CapCut is so easy to understand. You're going to see volume, which means you want to control the volume of the music. So you can click on the volume and use your hand and drag this thing, reduce it. You can reduce it.
Precious, have you noticed how everything is going digital now?
So you can do that, and so I'm going to do something here. Let's say, okay, now from this beginning, I want the music to be excessively a little bit, high, right? Then towards where they start conversation, I want it to reduce drastically. So what I'm going to do is between this place where they start conversation, this place here, this is where they start conversation, right? Look at the video. This is where they started conversation. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this music from that point there. So I will take my cursor, this is my line, to that point there, and make sure the music itself is highlighted. Remember, once the music is highlighted, you are going to see splits. So I will split it. Okay, so I'm not basically supposed to be showing you all these ones because these things are not things that these are very easy, but not something I'm supposed to be showing. I just want to show you guys for you to understand. So now we have two, you can see, right? We have two two musics, not the same music but two different lines, right? So you can see this one. Now this one we are going to reduce. This one, this particular one is where they started conversation, right? So I will make sure that it's highlighted, it's clicked, it's selected, come to volume, and then reduce the volume so that it doesn't
Precious, have you noticed how Precious, have you noticed how everything
it
is
doesn't
going
disturb, right? So I will come to my first one, this first one here, and increase the volume a little bit. You're going to see, increase it, right? So let's play that again.
Precious, have you noticed how
You can see, right? So once it got there, the music reduced. So that is one trick, or should I say one trick that you can also use for your future videos and any videos you're working on. It's more like a trick. So I know that not everyone knows this, right? So all right, so that is one trick. So what you want to do, once you are done, you come to the end part of the video. You can see the music did not reach the end of the video. So you want to duplicate this. So the music did not get to the end part of the video, so you just make sure that the music is okay. Can we use that? Let's try that. Let's see. Okay, so just duplicate it. Let's just duplicate it. Make sure the music is selected, then come to duplicate, just scroll to duplicate, and you're going to see duplicate. This is duplicate. All right, duplicate is named here. Just click on duplicate, then go to the end part again. Now you can see this is where the music stopped, right? This is where the video stopped. So this is where you are going to be cutting the whole video, right? So this is where everything stopped, right? Make sure the line, this your white line, is what you are going to be following. Make sure it's right there between this video and the music. So once you see that everything aligns, you just want to make sure that the video is selected. This video, the music is selected like this, right? Then you're going to say split. So just go ahead and split it, and then this remaining, you go ahead and delete the music that is remaining. All right, so we are done. Basically, we are done. Do you understand? So we are done. So this is our music. These are the same.
Precious, have you noticed how everything is going digital?
All right, so now you can see how everything aligns. So this is how you do your video, and after you are done, once you are done, I'm going to make a video on how to remove watermark, and how to cover it. All right, so let me just wait for the video. So once you are done, just come to export, click on export. Okay, but before then, let me say quit. But before then, come to this stuff right here, this AI Ultra something. Click on that, and you're going to see the setting that we have here. These are the settings that we have here, right? 720p, 1080p, 2K, and all that, right? So you want to export in 1080p resolution. Do you understand? Export in 1080p resolution. So you just drag this stuff to 1080p, and once it's done, you just click on export. All right, click on export, and there we have it. All right, so just go ahead and export it, and watch the other videos I'm going to do on watermark remover and how to cover your watermark. All right, so I'm going to see you guys on the next one. One love.